Hello everyone, welcome to the Priyanka Rattawa show. In India, when someone has cold or flu, their mothers make kadha. Kadha is a herbal homemade medicine made up of handful of ingredients which are readily available in every household. Especially in winters, children catch cold very soon and their mothers are so worried as it doesn't go after so many medications. Here is a magical remedy that will give instant relief from cold, cough and sore throat during winters. I'm going to start by crushing some whole spices. First goes in Elaichi or cardamom, cinnamon or Dalchini, black peppercorns or Mirch, clove or Lavang. I'm going to ground this spice coarsely. Next, into a saucepan, I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Cover it and allow it to come to a boil. Now let's add the spice mix. Fennel seed or Saunf, Ajwain or Caraway seed, lots of grated ginger, a bay leaf or Tej Patta. I'm going to tear in some Tulsi or whole Basil. Mix it well and allow it to cook. Each and every spice used in this kadha adds its own medicinal value. Let it boil until the water evaporates and becomes half. The water is reduced to half. Let's switch off the stove. I'll strain it using a fine sieve. Press it with the spoon to get all the liquid. You can see we are left with half of the liquid. Once it's a bit cool, we will be adding honey. Try giving honey to your kids when they have cold and cough. Honey alone acts as a cough syrup. Stir it to cool a bit. Pour in honey or shahad. Stir it so that the honey mixes well. Adjust the quantity of honey as per the sweetness you like. And our kadha is ready. Try drinking it as warm as possible for instant results. Make this kadha and keep your family safe during these winters. I have served it as kadha shots. Cheers to the winter. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Subscribe to Akshay Foods. Eat healthy and stay happy. See you next time. Bye bye.